An IC socket, or IC base or IC bed, or integrated circuit socket, is used in devices that contain an integrated circuit. An IC socket is used as a placeholder for IC chips and is used in order to allow safe removal and insertion of IC chips because IC chips may become damaged from heat due to soldering. Types of IC sockets. There are several different kinds of IC sockets at Future Electronics. We stock many of the most common types categorized by several parameters including type, style, number of pins, termination style/mounting, centerline/pitch, and packaging type. Our parametric filters will allow you to refine your search results according to the required specifications. Applications for IC sockets. IC sockets are used in applications where integrated circuit devices have short lead pins. They help in providing safe removal and insertion of IC chips. They are often found in desktop and server computers. They are also used for prototyping new circuits because they allow easy component swapping. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button.